Probably take the blue one today. Got you guys. Y'all thought I was up like that? Nah, we ain't there yet.
Yeah.
What is going on, guys? Justin or Ovo Update back again with another video, and today we coming back at you with another Toronto vlog. We're gonna be heading to a few places, and we're gonna be showing you a private OVO collection. So we got a lot in store for today's video, so I'm gonna take you guys along for the journey. As you can see, we're in the city right now. We were just passing Chick-fil-A. Gonna have to pull up later. No cap. These condos that they're building here, Bloor One, whatever it's called. Crazy. It's gonna be the biggest condos in Toronto. Okay, I'm just looking at these snow globes and like, yo, how sick would it be if OVO did a snow globe with like the owl in there? That'd be crazy. Indigo, bag secured. But yo, real talk, OVO did a snow globe. I think that'd be a sellout. They never really do anything for for Christmas. It'd be cool to see if they did something this year. All right, so we're heading back to Chick-fil-A. Toronto's actually back in stage 2 now, so that means we can't eat inside anymore, so we're gonna have to take it to go. You guys already know we have to get the nuggets with the fries, the waffle fries, the famous waffle fries. We eating good. So this restaurant right here is called Kasimoto. Drake comes here a lot in quarantine and rents out the entire top floor. Insane Japanese sushi restaurant. What you know about the Brabus? The Brabus 63 get big. All right, guys, so I know you're probably wondering, yo, what OVO is Justin wearing today? So, you know, had to come through with a quick drip check. You guys know, D-squared on top. We had to pull up a little hype beast today, a little bit hype beast. Montclair off-white with the essentials on, the essentials. And you have to stay comfy with the maxes. We're gonna show off a bit of OVO, guys, at this private collection, so you guys are definitely gonna want to stay tuned for that. So I'll see you guys in just a bit.
5 minutes later.
All right, so we're gonna start off with the hoodies first. So starting off, we got the OG Murakami hoodie. As you guys know, this one released at Complex Con 2 years ago. It's been some time now, but this is a classic to the Murakami collection. We got the olive one from last year with the pink and yellow flowers. This one is really, really nice. And of course, every collection is not complete, in my opinion, without the gray Murakami. Either the 2018 or the 2019 version, the gray one has always been a crowd favorite. And something special about the Murakami, you guys see this carpet material, and they actually decided to use this later on this hoodie. So this is the OG Grove exclusive. I'm gonna take this one out. This is an insane hoodie. It was exclusive to the Grove pop-up, and resale prices go upwards of $600 or $700 to actually acquire this hoodie. So I was calling this the Nipsey Blue. So again, crazy OG Al hoodie right here. Not a lot of people have this, so definitely cool to see this one in Toronto. Next up, keeping the OG Al trend, the Canada. This one restocked for the Ottawa opening, and if you're Canadian and you like OVO, you definitely gotta have this in your collection. And I know a lot of the US and the overseas people love repping the Canada flag or the US flag, you know, wherever you aren't located, because it's kind of a flex. Say if you're in the UK with the Canada, it's cool to have this, so definitely love the flag series. Switching it up, we're going Night Owl Sound. This is the Valentine's Day hoodie. You guys see the hearts, and my favorite is the back. Again, this hoodie, very sought after it released. This one I could say goes for an easy $300 all day on the resale market. So shout out to Mark, shout out to Noah, shout out to Night Owl Sound, because this hoodie was definitely one of the best things they put out this year. All right, so keeping it on trend with hoodies, we're gonna run over these quickly. We got the Celebration hoodie, I think that was the name of it, with the flowers all over. Nice OG Owl there. We got the I'm Upset hoodie. Drake wore this one in the beginning of I'm Upset, the green tracksuit. Pretty nice as well. We got the After Dark OG Al hoodie. Take notes, guys, this is the only fully embroidered one with the actual front pockets, and it's actually glow in the dark. So I'm gonna show you guys what that looks like right now. There it is, glowed up. Takes a while to get lit, but pretty cool. One of the first glow in the darks from OVO. Now we got a runner logo. This one is from, what, 2017? And this was the classic runner logo, the first time they ever did it. Really nice hoodie as well. One thing you can notice from all these OVO collectors is once they get one thing, you got to keep buying. So we got the marigold gray hoodie, pretty nice as well. We got the Familia, okay, the Familia hoodie. This is the first time they ever introduced this logo, so this is a pretty iconic hoodie. And Oliver was wearing this hoodie. I'm gonna throw the photo up on screen now with the D squared hat and this hoodie on. So this is a iconic one, and they definitely use this logo many times after. Next up, we got the tie-dye collection. Now, when the tie-dye collection released, people were kind of hesitant on it, but after a few weeks, everybody for some reason wanted it, and now prices for these brand new go for quite a bit of money. So that is it for the hoodies. Let's move on to some shirts. We got this nice rugby shirt. This one again, I think is from a few years old, 2017. We got the flannel from last year's winter collection. I know this one came with a few different styles. The red one was probably my favorite. Again, I'm pretty sure we're gonna see more flannels this fall winter. Now we're gonna get to some accessories. So we got the So Far Going posters right here, 2 brand new, and a absolute grail still in the bag is the Ovo Rug. Now this person actually has 3 rugs, and this one is kept brand new, really nice, and they go for upwards of $600. So if you want to get your hands on that rug, you got to pay the price. All right, coming down to the last few pieces, we got the baby blue quarter zip. This is one of my favorites from the quarter zip collection from last year. We got the Scorpion runner logo. I know this was a super popular item from the Scorpion tour back in 2018. Remember when they had the pop-ups? They only did like 3 or 4 of these at each store. It was insane, but then they ended up doing a wide release. But anyways, these brand new go for a decent price as well. Definitely mandatory in a collection for sure. Then we got the Ovo Sound Hoodie. Again, this one pretty mandatory if you're an OVO collector, the Ovo Sound X OVO collab. And now we're gonna start getting into some jackets. So this jacket right here to me is mandatory in anybody's collection. It's simple, it's plain, it's classic, it's iconic. They restock them all the time every winter. So if you don't have this jacket, I definitely recommend picking it up. It is super warm. It is a collab with Prime Loft, so you know the insulation and the quality is really good, so it definitely keeps you really warm. Next up, we got the Owl Puffer. You guys know I wear this one a lot. Again, when Drake wore this at the Raptors game, everyone went crazy. I know that post got thousands of likes on my Instagram page. Last but not least, guys, if you know, you guys see what's going on. You guys see what is going on. Canada Goose times OVO, as you can see right here. Take a look. 3M as well. The Grail, the last piece in this person's collection. So that is it for this person's collection. Shout out to you know who for letting me come through and show some of this off. Let me know if you guys want to see more. This person wasn't actually showing off their own collection, but maybe in the future we'll do something like that or whatever. So definitely stay tuned because we got a lot coming to the channel. All right, so we just finished up over at the collection, but now we're going to get some gelato. Let me know if you guys did like that collection, and I'm gonna do more in the future. All right, guys, check out this gelato. Indian gelato. It's called Nanny's Gelato. If you're on Toronto, definitely check it out. You're telling me they steam something overnight. It's crazy, next level. So if you're in Toronto, check it out. I'll have their Instagram up on screen now. And just like that, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys did enjoy. Vlog camera is coming soon. We just got that secured, so it is going to be coming next week. We spent like a rack on that whole setup, so stay tuned. Lots of new content on the way. With that being said, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.